and I'm back with this amazing session on Ellipse, guys. I hope everyone is doing absolutely amazing, guys. So, obviously, this is lecture number 2 on Ellipse. So, guys, this is going to be really important lesson today because a lot of questions every year is asked from the Ellipse topic, and the questions mostly which I have seen is from the basic concepts. So definitely, guys, I would request everyone out here to be ready for this amazing session. And guys, let me tell you, we are going to do some very nice problems today. So please stay tuned till the end and do not go anywhere else. Okay, so myself, Abhinav Jha, guys, I have obviously done BTech from NIT Nagpur and have got around 4 years of teaching experience. Have mentored many top ranks in the JEE Mains and Advanced in the past. Also, I have an AIR of 698 in GATE, that is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. Moreover, guys, going forward, obviously you can plan out this amazing Unacademy Plus subscription, guys. Why? Because at this point of time, everyone is looking for an online platform where you can come up and get your preparation going. So what better than Unacademy, guys? It is providing you India's best faculties, and obviously, guys, there are amazing test series, doubt clearing sessions, live polls, leaderboard, interaction with the educator, live classes, and what else, guys? It's absolutely amazing, right? Moreover, you can simply install this amazing app from the Play Store by going on to the platform and, guys, clicking on install. Right, you have to go to the Play Store and you can click of this amazing thing, an Academy's learning app, and you can move ahead. Moreover, guys, IIT section, you have to go in that, you have to click on plus. Then, guys, you can move ahead with the get subscription part. As soon as you do that, as soon as you click on the get subscription, you can plan out this amazing experience, guys. And obviously this AJ live code will fetch you these amazing discounts. So it will be costing you around 25.2 for 6 months, and it will be costing you around 34.6 for 1 month, 1 year, that is 12 months, and 2 years would cost you around 50.4k, guys. So please do not forget to apply the code of AJ live. As soon as you apply that, you will be getting these massive discounts. Iconic costs around 34.2 for 6 months, 58.5 for 1 year, and 90k for 2 years. So this is also going to be pretty important. So guys, you can see here the benefits of taking an Iconic. You'll be getting a personal coach, there'll be workshops, there'll be guidance by experts, there'll be study planner, test analysis, and whatnot. It's going to be absolutely fantastic if you take this also, because here you will be getting something which is very important, that is a personal coach. And obviously, guys, you will be getting a study planner and a guidance, everything will be there. So it will be obviously giving you a slightly better advantage if you want that. Also, plus is also pretty cheap, and guys, definitely reasonable. So you can see here it will be costing around 2 to 3k per month, which is actually more than sufficient because I've seen people paying 3000 in one day, right? Like you pay like for your home tuitions and everything, right? So that is there, because obviously many of them charge around 1000 to 2000 per hour. So that is obviously there, guys. So you can pretty much plan this out, and it will be pretty easy going forward. Moreover, guys, you can join this amazing Telegram channel where you will be obviously getting lots and lots of amazing discounts. And guys, all these things will be there on this platform, Unacademy JEE English Telegram channel. You'll be getting the updates of the classes first of all, which is very important. All the updates of the classes will be given on this excellent platform. Moreover, Abhinav SC is the code which also you can use to avail maximum discount on Plus. Next, the thing is, guys, you all might be knowing about my special classes. So I take every special class at 8 p.m. and it is going on alternate Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday on the Unacademy's learning app. So guys, if you plan out that thing, that will be totally free. Okay, so you can just come every last time it was an amazing turnout, guys. I would request every one of you to go ahead and come and enjoy this amazing free sessions of mine on this platform. Moreover, this is the JEE English channel's timings. So this is Monday and Thursday. We'll be doing obviously 2021. Tuesdays and Fridays we'll be doing 2022. Currently we are doing Ellipse in the conic sections part. Here we are covering up matrices and determinants, and then I'll be wrapping up the other topics related to probability, and then, guys, everything will be absolutely finished on this platform, right? Also, you can plan out the Unacademy quiz at on every Tuesday. 7 p.m. is the timing. Also, every Saturday, 5:30 p.m. it's the revision going on. Fine. Also, Mathematicians is a channel which is also launched by an academy, guys. It's going to be an absolutely amazing channel. Here obviously two faculties are taking, me and Mohit sir. Okay, obviously guys, if you want to learn from me in Hindi, so you can come on, and guys, you can really enjoy a lot of things on this platform as well. These are the timings, you can have a note of it. Moreover, all of you might be knowing that my integral calculus course has been launched on the Plus platform. So guys, please do not waste your time. If you want continuous DPPs, if you want quizzes, if you want one-on-one interaction, if you want doubt clearing sessions and everything. So guys, this is the place where you have to land up, right? Unacademy Plus it is where you have to be there. Okay. Moreover, guys, this is an amazing MCQ batch starting 15th of December and 21st of December. So guys, all of you can plan out. These are the amazing faculties who will be doing that, and for JEE Mains and Advanced 2021. Okay. So guys, we have Praneeth Kalyanam sir, Suresh sir, and your favorite teachers. And also here we have Vinod Sharma sir, Parag sir, Lucky sir, and HK sir. They will be taking this. This is starting 21st of December. This is starting 21st of December, guys. And this is starting 15th of December, right? So you can plan out this amazing thing, guys, MCQ batch. So that's going to be absolutely amazing. Fine. Also here you can see that, guys, Unacademy Combat still remains the best bet of a student, I would feel. Here, guys, you have the chance to win amazing prizes, guys, amazing vouchers, and lots of fun coming up your way. If you just enroll it and you attempt that quiz, guys, definitely you can do exceedingly well. Also, you have to use the code of AJ Live to enroll on it. So guys, do not waste any more of time and quickly come on to this platform of Unacademy Combat. And I've told you already, guys, my revision series is going on every Saturday is 5:30, and that is what we will be getting. Moreover, guys, here you have differential calculus, integral calculus, vectors, 3D, inverse trigonometry, matrices, determinants. Everything will be done on the Plus platform by me. And also you have amazing teachers like Rohit sir, Rahul sir, and Murli sir also doing great. And not to mention that we have also a day JEE 2022 batch running. So guys, obviously this is going to be great, and I'm going to cover up everything out there, right? So please, guys, be in touch. Come on to the Plus if you want to, and then it will be an absolutely amazing experience. Chalo, without wasting no more time, and let's begin this amazing session, guys. So we'll be starting from question number this one. Okay, question number one. This is the quiz one, guys. So we have to find out the eccentricity of this conic. So how are we going to do it? How are we going to get the eccentricity of this conic section, guys? Come on, tell me. Eccentricity of a conic is represented by this. So what will be the conic, guys? Tell me, which form is it given? Isn't it looking like a distance from 2 points, guys? Isn't it? Right? We have a point here. Let's suppose this is a point called 2 comma 0, and this is looking like a point 2 minus 2 comma 0, and this is a point xy, right? Isn't it? Yes, this is something like xy. So what's happening, guys? This distance plus this distance is given as 2a. Isn't it, everyone? Isn't it like that? SP. This is S, this is P. We have been given PS plus PS dash. Right? That is nothing but 2a. That's the definition of an ellipse. That's how we start doing ellipse. Right? So what will happen, everyone? Tell me. This is coming as 2a. So finally, directly you can say here 2a equals to 8, a equals 4. Great. Easy. Next. Guys, can I say distance between the eccentricity, foci is what? 2ae. S dash is 2ae, because this is from the center ae comma 0. This is also ae minus ae comma 0, right? So we can say 2ae is nothing but distance between them, which is obviously looking as 4, right? That's coming as 4. So guys, what we get from here? It's a simple question, guys. Just have to easily visualize this concept and you can go ahead with that. That is not at all a problem. So here we will say that 2AE is 4. So guys, what will happen? Tell me. 2A we already have 8. E is nothing but 4 by 8, which will be coming as half. And that is our answer, my dear students. Right, everyone? Great. So this is what our answer would be. Let's move ahead now and look at the next problem. This is the next question, guys. So please understand, try to understand these questions, guys. These are very easy questions. If you have, and I've seen, guys, in mains, they have been repetitively asking these kind of problems. So you have to be quite sure with this. Come on, everyone. Without wasting any more time, let's start this question. If an angle between the lines joining the foci to an extremity of minor axis of an ellipse is 90 degree, its eccentricity would be what? So I'll explain you the question, guys. What is happening is we have the coordinate axis, the major and the minor one. Always frame the diagram, right? That'll give you a lot of hint. Okay, now what will happen is we have one thing, that the eccentricity, the foci, what they're saying, the foci to an eccentricity. Okay, the angle between the lines joining the foci to the extremity of the minor axis. This is the minor axis, right? This is the minor axis, so we are joining this, right? Okay, so they are talking about that is 90 degree. This angle is 90. Okay, right? So this is 90 degrees. Now what will happen is that we have to find out the eccentricity. That is what it is given. Over and out. Okay, so guys, see here. Obviously, if that is 90, this would be 45, and this would be 45. Pretty easy, it's an RHS congruency. So guys, definitely this will be the C. No doubt about it, right? Okay. Now we know that this length is what? This is AE comma 0, and this is what, guys? 0 comma B. Right? Everyone knows this. Who doesn't know this? Hello, S. Pandey, how are you? Okay. So guys, we can see here that this height is B, this height is AE, this length is AE. Can I say, guys, tan 45 is equals to perpendicular upon base? That means that is 1. Tan 45 is 1. So we'll get B equals AE, guys. Right? We got B equals to AE, isn't it? And now we can easily, what? We can easily calculate the eccentricity. How? Because we know that B square equals to A square into 1 minus E square. So B square by A square equals to 1 minus E square. Already we have one equation with us. What is that? We have that B by A is E. So B square by A square will also be what, guys? E square. So why don't we put this value over here? So when you put this value over here in this equation, you will get E square equals to 1 minus E square. Isn't it, everyone? Absolutely. So we'll get what? 2E square equals to 1. E square equals to half. E equals to 1 by root 2. That is it. Got it, everyone? Yes. So guys, we'll be getting what? 1 by root 2. Easy. So guys, that's how we plan it. These are simple questions. Just have to figure the diagram, and guys, then you can easily get on with the question, right? That is not at all a difficulty. So it's a pretty easy problem, not at all difficult. Let's go for the next one. Now this is a pretty good question. Now in this, you have to look into a different aspect altogether. See, guys, actually there are two kinds of formulas which we look at, right? If we are talking in terms of equation. Remember the when we were doing parabola. Okay. One definition was what, guys? One definition was what? That SP by PM was equal to 1. From there we were getting one equation of the parabola, right? We used to take any point as x comma y and we used to get the derivation of the parabola. Here also you can do it the same way. If let's suppose eccentricity is given, so you can equate it to that E, and again you will be getting the equation of the ellipse. That is also one very nice procedure, right? But I told you, remember when I was discussing with you parabola's equation. Remember, everyone, please discuss. I'll try to recollect everything with you, and you can easily understand the things going forward there. See guys, this is, let's suppose y square equals to 4ax. Okay, this is y square equals to 4ax. So any point, let's suppose x comma y, and what did I tell you? This height is y, right? And this height is what? This length will be what? X. What did I tell you? 22 to 25. What 22 to 25? Acha, February wala paper na? Okay. Be happy, right? You have the date with you, you have your target, you have your goal set. Go for it now. Okay. So guys, what did I tell you? I told you that distance, what is this? Y can be written as what? Distance from axis square equals to what? 4a was what guys? Length of latus rectum into distance from tangent at vertex. Didn't I tell you this guys? I did. I did tell you this. This was also one method to get, if your tangents and all are different, they are what? They're oblique. So we can use this procedure to get the equation of the parabola. Same thing, let's try to apply on our favorite ellipse. Let's try to discuss this and let's try to get that second kind of equation. So guys, general equation of an ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1, right? So guys, if you take any random ellipse, okay, take any random ellipse, okay. So we have, let's suppose, x comma y. Now what is this guys? This will be y, this will be what? X. So think about it guys. What is your x and y currently? X is nothing but distance from minor axis, okay. So what is this guys? Distance from minor axis whole square by a square plus, what is this guys? What is y? Y is what? Distance from major axis whole square by b square equals to 1. So this is the trick which I'm trying to tell you. Any equation, general equation, now like let's suppose this is the major, this is the minor, so this will be applicable here. Understood? This will be applicable here. This will be an oblique line. Maybe it's x equals to y. This will be y equals to x. It's not necessary that it will be always x minus 2 or x minus 1, right? It can be any oblique line for that matter. And this formula will be valid for that. So please star mark this guys. You will not get these kind of concepts anywhere guys. I'm telling you. Okay, this will be very helpful and you will be able to solve with these logics questions pretty easily. No need to mug up any concept. Okay. So guys, see here, that means this is in that form only, right? Right. So that means x plus, and you can talk about anything, right? See here, what is happening is actually this is distance from the minor axis, but denominator should be what? Major, semi-major axis whole square, right? This is the length. This length is what, guys? Semi-major axis length. And this is what? Tell me. Distance from minor axis, and this is what? Semi-minor axis, semi-minor major axis, and this is semi-minor axis length. So ulta हो रहा है. ऊपर minor equation and denominator semi-major. Here also like that. So this is how you can revert, go in with it, right? Yes. So here what's happening is, guys, this x plus y minus 2 is the major axis, right? Because x plus y minus 2 is the major axis, right? Because this is this is nothing but this is nothing but b square, right? Because it's obviously coming as lesser one, right? It's the lesser one. Or you can keep it anything. That is not an issue at all, right? It's on your mindset that how you're going ahead with it. Okay. So the ellipse is what? Tell me guys, you can see over here, it is somewhat this line is there, and here you have the length with you, right? Simple. So guys, can I say that this is the minor or major axis, right? These are the major and minor axis respectively. This is the minor axis or major axis respectively. So their point of intersection will be the center. Simple, right? So that means we just have to solve these two equations. Got the point, everyone? That is how we can do it. Simply solve the equation now. So these two, if you solve, x plus y minus 2 equals to 0, and you have x minus y equals to 0, you'll get x equals to y, right? So x equals to y will be putting over here. If you put it over here, you will be getting 2x minus 2 equals to 0, getting x equals to 1. That means y is also 1. So that is the center, simple 1 comma 1, right? That is it. So this is how we solve these kind of problems, guys. It's not at all a difficulty. Okay, we can easily figure it out. This is the major, semi-major axis length, so this will depend on that then. Okay, chalo, next guys, try this one, everyone. See the center and S is one of the focus, then the ratio of CS to the major axis is. See the center of the ellipse, and obviously S is one of the focus. And the ratio of CS to semi-major axis length. Simple equation, guys. This is obviously major axis is along the x-axis, right? And obviously this is what minor axis. So C is what they're saying, center. Obviously that is origin, no doubt about it. And we have S is one of the focus, right? S is one of the focus. This is one. Okay, so we want this S CS to the semester. So CS by semi-major. Semi-major is what? A. What is CS, guys? Can I say this is AE comma 0? Right? That's what they are talking about, right, everyone? I guess so. Hana? Pretty easy, guys. Let me check the question once again. Yes, I think so. That's what the question is. So it's going to be what, guys? CS by semi-major axis. Right? So what are we going to get, guys? Can I say that CS will be AE upon A? So that is what E they are asking. Simple. So how will you get that E? We know the A and we know the B, right? We know that A is nothing but A square is 25 and B square is 16. We know that 16 by 25 is going to be E square minus 1. Sorry, 1 minus E square. So pretty easy question now. 1 minus E square. So what will be what, guys? Your E square will be what? 9 by 25. E will be what? 3 by 5. That is it. 3 is to 5. Okay. That is it. Chalo, next. So an ellipse with the center origin and x cuts the x-axis at 3 comma 0. Okay. Cut the x-axis at 3 comma 0 and minus 3 comma 0. If its E is half, then the length of the major axis, semi-minor axis. Tell me, guys. Ellipse is 0 0 and cuts the x-axis at 3 comma 0 and minus 3 comma 0. Then if its E is half, then the length of the semi-minor axis. Come on, everyone, try this one. Again, an easy one, guys. This is a pretty easy question. It's cutting the x-axis at the vertex. Right, the vertices is given. This is 3 comma 0. This is minus 3 comma 0. So, guys, obviously, this is the A. A is what from the origin? How much distance is it, guys? Can I say A is 3? Yes. We know the E, we need the value of B. So we know that B square by 9, B square by A square equals to 1 minus E square. So what about e square? We all know that is going to be what? 1 by 4. So what are we getting? B square by 9 is equals to 1 minus 1 by 4, which is what? 3 by 4. So what are we getting, guys? B square equals to 27 by 4, right? This will be what? 3 root 3 implies by 2, isn't it? That's what your B will be. Simple, take the under root, that is root 27 will be what? 9 into 3, then it will be 3 root 3 implies B equals to 3 root 3 by. Easy questions, guys. So these are the questions which you can be getting. We can encounter these kind of questions quite a few times. Next. X is given as 2 cos t minus sin t and y is given as 3 cos t plus sin t. Represents the conics with whose foci are. You want to get the conic first, then you can easily get on with the. It is given in a parametric form kind of thing. At the moment, we obviously don't know parametric form. I understand. But guys, what is the main procedure of getting an equation or any conic? You have to eliminate t, right? That's the thing. है ना? You have to eliminate the t. So guys, how do we eliminate the t here? You can see here, guys, obviously when we have cos and sine, we know we have to square and add. That is a given, right? Then only this cos square t plus sine square t will become that. But if you square and add right now, right here, it would give you some like another constants also would come up, right? 4 idhar aa jayega, here 9 will be there, and then that won't gel up quite nicely. So let's bring this 2 down. So we'll get what? X by 2 is equals to cos t minus sine t, and we have here y by 3 equals to cos t plus sine t, right? Now guys, let's suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So when you square and add it, guys, let's suppose you're squaring and adding. So this what will give you, guys? This will give you what? First equation will be x square by 4 will be equal to what? Cos square t plus sine square t minus 2 sine t cos t. Okay, let me add it also, right? Y square by 9 we will get. Here what will happen, guys, on the RHS? This part will be added, right? We will be adding that part with it. So this will be giving you cos square t plus sine square t plus 2 sine t cos t. So 2 sine t cos t, 2 sine t cos t gone. Cos square t plus sine square t is 1. Cos square t plus sine square t is 1. So guys, what did we get? We got x square by 4 plus y square by 9 equals to 2. Right? This is not the job done right now. Okay, we have to bring it down, right? When we bring the 2 down, then only you'll get 1 on the RHS. And that is your equation, right? Yes. So our equation is, guys, x square by 8 plus y square by 18 is equals to 1. Right? Now, foci. So guys, it's obviously ellipse like this, isn't it? Absolutely. This is the major axis, x, है ना? See, this is lesser, so this will be the major, x equals to 0. This is a major length. This will be minor axis. That is y equals to 0. This is how we actually frame it. Now think it in this direction, okay? When you've learned that concept, now you think it in that direction. No mugging up. Great. Next is, guys, how do we do this? Okay. So guys, obviously anyone can be better. No comparison. Okay. Obviously, if you work hard, anyone can gain a lot of knowledge. No issues, no doubt, definitely. So guys, see here. Okay. Now, guys, if you look into this point over here, tell me, guys, how do we get it? This is obviously 0 comma be, right? So this is how I have taught you, guys. You can take this as a, this is b. So guys, here the eccentricity 1 minus e square will be what? Tell me. For this kind of case, it will be a square by b square, right? We'll get 1 minus e square equals to 8 by 18 Hello Rohit Yadav, how are you? So guys, what are we getting? 1 minus e square equals to 4 by 9. है ना? Right. So what are we getting guys? We are getting e square equals to 1 minus 4 by 9, which is coming as implies e will be what? E square will be 5 by 9, which is coming as root 5 by 3. That's our answer right now, e. Now this we know that what we want is the foci. Foci is what guys? Everyone knows one foci will be here, one foci will be here. So it is what 0 comma be and 0 comma minus be kind of thing, right? Yes. So now what we will do is b is how much? B is how much? Root 18. B is root 18. है ना? So BE will be what? Root of 18, can I write it as 9 root 2? This is my B. B is what? 9 root 2 and A is what? 2 root 2. है ना? So 9 root 2 into E, root 5 by 3. How much? 3 root 10. Okay, that is it. BE is coming as 3 root 10. Okay. Okay, did I make a mistake? Yes, it is 3 root 2. Sorry. My mistake. Root of 18 is 3 root 2, not 9 root 2. Sorry. So 3, because 9 twos are, okay, so that's the reason why this will be 3 root 2. The 3 will be cancelled. And here this is also 3 root 10. And so finally, guys, we got our BE as root 10. So root 10 is the value of BE. That means, guys, this point is 0 comma 10 and root 10, and it is 0 comma minus root 10 are the the foci of the conic. Simple guys, simple logic, simple concept, and if you do this, we can obviously get on with these kind of questions. So next, let's go move ahead. Okay, so now this is one question which we are having. The major axis and the minor axis of the ellipse are given. Great. So now the end of a latus rectum is given. Okay. Then the foci are. So here, for your information, what they have done is they have given one of the foci. So one is sorted. They are talking about the other one. How do we do it, guys? Think about it. So true. These are the questions which are now coming regularly in the mains, and it will be using basic concept of straight lines. If you know that, it will be pretty easy. Right, guys. See, guys, let's suppose somebody gave me this major axis, this minor axis, and it has given me what? One end of the lattice rectum. That's fine. Let's suppose this is some 3 comma 4 it is. Right. So actually we have been given one of the foci. Maybe that is this one or that one, doesn't matter. We want one is given right in the, I think so it's given in the answer. That is to be I think this is minus 11 comma minus 8, right? Okay, so our Rohit Yadav sir is saying option C, which is absolutely correct, Rohit. Fantastic. Very nice. See guys, what we can do is, let's suppose this point is given or that point is given, doesn't matter, 5 comma 0. Can I say guys, the other one is the reflection about the minor axis. This is the minor axis, right? Can I say it's the image of this point about this? Yes, that is the simplest thing, right? So you can do the option checking also. Okay, you can get the center also. So what I'll suggest is the best will be, you can take the center, right? Can we get the center of this ellipse? Yes, just by solving it. That's the easiest way. Just solve this, guys. X minus 2y minus 5 equals to 0. And this one I'm writing as doubling it. So 4x plus 2y. I'm doubling this one, okay? Plus 20 equals to 0. Now I'm adding it. So I'm getting 5x plus 15 equals to 0. We are getting x equals to minus 3. X equals to minus 3. So what will be your y? -3 है, that will be going that side 8, y is -4. So y coming as -4. I got the center. What is that? That is coming as -3 comma -4. Now can I use guys midpoint formula? Absolutely. So guys, let's suppose this is alpha beta. So alpha will be what? 2 into -3 -5. What I did? Anyone? This is the midpoint, right? So twice of middle minus this one will give you that. This is coming as -11. This is beta. Twice of middle, midpoint formula I'm using, -0. Understood? This is how easily we can get this thing. Right? What I did is, see, I have these 2 points with me. One center is known. I told you it is the point of intersection. One point I took it as 5, 0, and this one I got it, right? So this, obviously guys, this is, let's suppose, x1, y1, and this is, let's suppose, alpha beta. So alpha plus 5 by 2 is going to be x1. So what I did is I directly calculate alpha as 2x1 minus 5 directly. Okay, so that we don't get any time waste. Okay, got it? So that's how I did it, and I calculated it as -11 comma -8, which is pretty easy. But guys, you might be asking, sir, you took this 5 0. Now let's suppose we don't know. Let's suppose we don't know that. Then what we will do? So I'll say, guys, no issues. Let's solve. Let's try to think that how will we do it. We know the major axis, we know the minor axis. Both of them we are known. Okay, we know one of the projections, right? One of the f. What is this? Yes, it started quite a long time. Now you can obviously stay here. So guys, what we will do now, only if these two are known, can I take the projection of this along the major axis, right? You will project this and you will get one foci. Got it? And then center is already known to you, whatever it is, whatever you got it. Let's suppose that is some x1, y1, that is not an issue. Again, use that and then get the others. That is also fine. You can do it. You have to get what, guys? Foot of perpendicular. What you need to do? You need to plot the foot of perpendicular from this point to the major axis, which is known. Understood? This is how we will do it in a general manner if the things are not given. Next. Did you get the point? Rohit Yadav, did you get the thing which I just told? So guys, the conic is passing through origin. That's what we know. And it has a foci at these 2 points. We need to find the eccentricity. It's a pretty easy thing, guys. I think so everyone can do it. That's not a difficult one. Is it? I don't think so, guys. What we need to do in this question? It's pretty apt, pretty simple. We just have one thing in front of us. What is that? This is the foci. So distance between them will be what? Under root of this is nothing but SS dash. SS dash, right? So what will be the distance? That will be what? 19 square plus 5 ka square, 25. That will be that. Okay. So we'll be getting that. Fine. So that will be distance. That is nothing but 2AE. Moreover, guys, one more thing which we have is we can get the 2A also. Right? How? Because we know that these are the two foci and origin is on the ellipse. Right? 5, 12, 24, 7. 5, 12, 24, 7. So we have origin with us. So now what will happen is this distance is what, guys? Can you tell me that this is any point, right? P, S dash and S. So we all know that PS plus PS dash is 2A. So from there we can get the 2A, right? That's how we'll do it. Okay. So what will happen, guys? And that will be nothing but giving you root of this one 25 plus 144. That is coming as 13, I guess, right? And yes, this will be what? Obviously 24 ka square, that is 576, and 7 square 49. I think that is 15. So what we are getting is 13 plus 15 is 2A. That means 2A is coming as 28. Easy. Now guys, you can put the 2A here. Okay. Sorry, 38, right? 28 only, na? Yeah. 1 second. 15 nahi, 25 hoga wo. That's sorry. 625, right? That's the reason why. Okay. This is coming as what? 38. Okay. Now guys, we can put the value of 2A here. E, we are obviously, guys, experiencing here that it will be, I think so, 386, right? Root of 386. So root of 386 equals to 38E. 2A value, I just put up the 2A value. 3 will be what? Root of 386 by 38. Simple. Right, everyone? Easy question. So now next, let's move ahead. So we need to find out the directrices of these of the equation of the ellipse given. So guys, think about it, how you're going to go ahead with this kind of question. Directrices we want. Obviously, there will be two directrices. General equation has x by x equals to a by e. Come on, everyone. How do we get it? What will happen? First of all, guys, you have to create something like x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Then only it will happen, right? Something will happen, or a distorted one, x minus 2 whole square or x minus 3, anything like that. Then only you will be able to frame it, right? So first let's complete the whole square. That's what I'll try to do. So what I'll do is, I'll take common in x square in this guy. So what I'll get, x square plus 4x. Okay? Okay. Then plus 4, I'll take this common in this guy and this guy. So I'll get y square minus 2y. And then guys, minus 32. So hey, that is already there. Okay, now what to do is, can I guys add here a plus b the whole square? Whose whole square is this? Can I say it will be x plus 2 ka whole square, right? And minus 4 also we need to do. Here what, guys? X minus 1 ka whole square, so minus 1 also we need to do. Great. So few things will come out, then we'll adjust that, not an issue. So what are we getting, guys? If you look into this one, we are getting 3 times of this, from here to here will be x plus 2 whole square, right? Okay, 3 times of x plus 2 ka whole square minus 12, then plus 4 times of y minus 1 ka whole square, y minus 1 ka whole square minus 4, and then guys minus 32 equals to 0, right? So what will be this, guys? Can I say 16 and 32? 48, right? So what are we getting? We're getting 3 times of x plus 2 ka whole square plus 4 times of y minus 1 ka whole square equals to 48. Now guys, when you divide by this 48, what will get? X plus 2 ka whole square by 48 by 3, that is what? 16, if I'm not wrong. 3 by 48 will be 16 plus y minus 1 ka whole square by 12. Okay, got it. So we got the ellipse, isn't it? Yes. So this is the ellipse. Vertices are known. This is 4 and this is will be what? Root of 12, right? That is not an issue at all. So guys, see here, whenever the center is at origin, the directrix is at what? A distance of a by e from the center. That is, the distances are fixed. I'll keep on repeating my words. The distances do not change. The equation might. This distance will remain a by e from here to here, right? That will remain a by e, and here to here also will be a by e magnitude wise. Okay, what is the center, guys? Anyone? Any idea? What is the center? Center will be what, guys? It shifted to minus 2 comma 1, right? Minus 2 comma 1. Okay, great. So guys, can I say that a, we can calculate, a is 4. E, let's calculate quickly. 12 by 16 equals to 1 minus e square. E square is coming as 3 by 4. So 1 minus 3 by 4, which is coming as 1 by 4. Okay, that means e is half. E is half, right? Great. So guys, what is a by e then? So if e is half, that means a by e will be 4 by half. That is 8 units. That means from here to here it's 8, and from here to here it is also 8. Okay. So guys, obviously this is x equals to minus 2. See guys, how easily we have framed this. 8 और उधर जाएंगे. So guys, here at minus 2 we are going 8 right. Won't we end up at 6 units? We're going adding minus 2 by 8. So this will be what, guys? X equals to 6. Now you're subtracting 8 from minus 2. You will end up at what, guys? This will be x equals to minus 10. Got it? So x equals to minus 10 and x equals to 6. Okay. Okay. Sorry, guys. This minus 10 is minus is missing. No issue. So this is minus 10, which is correct. Got it, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this question. This was a very good question and it is a very logical one. And we'll do one more great question like this. Let's look into that. I hope everyone understood, right? So you have to understand that the distances are fixed. You need to just calculate the distances. You have to figure out the equation then. So we have over here foci of an ellipse are S and S dash. Okay, this is S dash. Okay, and its E is half. Then the equation of the directrix corresponding the focus S. Focus S के corresponding. The foci of an ellipse S minus 1 comma minus 1 0 comma minus 2, its E is equals to half. Then the equation of the directrix corresponding to the focus S. Good question, very nice question. Think about it, guys. It's a very good question, to be frank, and this kind of questions you don't get generally, and you can easily imagine how we have to proceed. So we have a point, guys. We have one focus at. Let's frame the equation. Let's try to do that. Okay. So here we have minus 1 comma. Let me take it a little bit to the right, because majorly we have work in the third and second quadrant. Okay. Let's suppose this is my center origin, not the center. Sorry, origin. Okay. Now here we have been given, guys, one of the focus is at minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay, and one focus is at point called 0 comma minus 2. Okay, is that clear? The question must be clear. If the question is clear, then I think so you can easily understand then. This is what 0 comma minus 2 hai. Okay, so guys, we have obviously, let's see, let's call this one is as the major axis, right? Ye major axis hoga surely but steadily, right? This will be the major axis for sure, no doubt about it. Okay, guys. Yes, this is our major axis, my dear friends. Now the foci are pretty much known, right? That is known. Foci are known. Okay, So guys, obviously when you plot the ellipse, there might be something, right? So we can be having an ellipse like this also, right? And ellipse can be like this, right? We don't know where it will go. It will come up till here. It will come up till there. That is not our requirement right now. Our requirement right now is to get the directrix, and we know that there are two directrices, right? We know that we have two directrices in any equation. One is like this, right? That is one directrix. Corresponding to this foci, it will be somewhat like this. Corresponding to this foci, it might be somewhat like here, right? So they are talking about corresponding to this foci we want. Okay, not this one. Great. So guys, my issue is that how am I going to get the equation of this one, this directrix? See guys, we all know that directrices are perpendicular. See guys, let's try to understand now very carefully. If we understand one easy logic, that directrices are perpendicular to the major axis, right? Obviously it is. It is obviously sure that this is perpendicular to this. Can we get the slope of the major axis, guys? Can we get it by chance? Anything can be done. Y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Obviously we can see here it is coming as -1, right? And a -1 -2, that will be what, 1 upon -1, right? That is -1. Okay, that means its the slope is -1. Major axis, the slope is this. So the slope of directrix will be surely 1, right? M1 M2 -1. Okay, great. So we have figured out its slope. Now we only need is the point, and that is the most difficult part in this question. We have to get a point on the directrix. Great. So guys, what is the point which is looking so easy to get, and what's the that is very easy to find out, or it is the most genuine point that we can actually find out? So guys, I don't think so that anyone else, anybody will think anything apart from this point, right? That's what the thinking would be, isn't it? Absolutely, this would be the thinking. Yeah, this point let's calculate. And how do we calculate, guys? We need two things. First of all, to get that coordinate, we have to use the parametric form. Remember guys, in the straight lines we discussed so many problems like this. Yes, so we have to get the help of the parametric form. The parametric form will do what? It will give one thing. First of all, if we get this theta over here and this distance, job is done, right? X may we have to subtract, y may we have to add, right? We have to go in this direction, isn't it everyone? That is fantastic. Okay, now guys, try to understand this question. Very nice question, guys. Try to understand. So here first let's get the distance part, right? Theta तो बहुत ही आसान है guys. We all know that this is having a slope of 1 -1, so ये 135 है. So this will be what, 45 everyone. This is 45 degrees for sure. Everyone understood this theta is 45. Great. This because this is 135. है ना? इसका slope is -1. That is 45. Okay. Now the only thing left is the distance. Let's calculate that. So what is the distance, guys? In general, let's talk about that in detail here. So guys, any ellipse is there, है ना? So from the foci, this is the center, let's suppose. This is S, this is S dash. So from the focus to the directrix, what is the distance? Guys, everyone knows that, sir, यहाँ से यहाँ तक we have A by E, and from here to here we have AE. Obviously, this distance is what, guys? A by E minus AE. Absolutely, yes. Thumbs up. Great. So this will be, guys, A by E minus AE. So let's calculate this amazing distance. Okay. So what do we know at the point of time? At this point of time, we know 2AE, right? The distance between them. So what is that, guys? 2AE. Just calculate that for me quickly. This will be what? 1 ka square, I think so, √2, right? Or guys, what else we have? We have been given E. Oh, that's great. E is given to us. So guys, E को let's put half. So we'll get what? 2A is equals to, this will be √2, right? Because E is half. That is given. Great. So E bhi aa gaya, A bhi aa gaya. Guys, I think so now everything is pretty much sorted. Right? Yes. So guys, what we'll be doing is, we will be doing one thing. First is this distance over here which we were looking at, है ना? from this foci, center is somewhat here, this foci, right? So this distance, what I'm talking about, will be what? Tell me. I told you AE minus A by E, right? Let's call that as R, है ना? ये distance मैं बोल रहा हूँ R. Okay, great. So guys, AE is how much? Sorry, A by E minus AE, na? A by E minus AE. Okay, so A by is, guys, A is what? Root 2 by half. So that will go up, है ना? So that will become 2 root 2 minus AE. AE is how much, guys? Can I say, guys, AE will be 1 by root 2. So you can say root 2 by 2. है ना? Root 2 by 2. Great. So that is coming as what? Can I say, guys, 2 root 2 minus root 2 by 2? Can I say, guys, 3 by 2 root 2 है वो? Yes, that is 3 by 2 root 2. R is 3 by 2 root 2. Okay. Chalo. Now, guys, let's calculate the R cos theta and R sin theta, and let's try to subtract it. So, guys, let's call this point as alpha beta. Let's take this as alpha beta. Okay, I'm doing this question in detail. Now I can leave it up till here also for you guys, but no issues. So let's see, let's calculate it only. So guys, can I say that alpha kitna hoga, guys? Alpha will be minus 1 say minus R cos theta, right? R is what? 3 by 2 root 2 into half into cos theta will be 1, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, right? What I did is R cos theta, है ना? This is what? X1 minus R cos theta, right? That will be, because we are subtracting Q, we are going left. Great. So what is it coming as? Minus half minus 3 by 2. So which is coming as, guys, minus 5 by 2. And guys, beta is what? Tell me. That will be what? It's a point here is minus 1 से subtract ही हो रहा है, right? Add हो रहा है, right? We are adding it. R cos theta. We are adding minus 1 plus R sin theta, right? Sin 45 is again. I think this, what I did is y1 plus R sin theta I did. Okay. So this is coming as minus half. Great, job done. हो गया खत्म. So the equation of the line will be what? That equation slope we know that is 1. So y minus y1. Y1 is what? Half equals to slope, that is 1 into x minus 5 by 2. This is coming as x minus y plus minus, will be plus half half. So this will be plus 4 is equals to 0, right? Y minus x minus x. Great. So that was a very good question, guys. Straight lines का काफी use हुआ. Okay. So that's how we can project it, guys. We can, slope is pretty easy to imagine, and then this you have to just look into the point. That's it. Chalo, guys, let's take one more and then we'll wrap up the session. So we need to find out the eccentricity of an ellipse which cuts at right angles to this parabola. Okay, so that's a pretty easy one, guys. We have an ellipse. Okay, और एक parabola है y square equals, so this is coming cutting at 90 degrees. Cutting at 90 degrees means the tangents makes an angle of 90 degrees. So that means इसका slope into the slope will be giving you 90 degrees. So everyone knows, guys. Let's suppose that point is x1 comma y1 है. Okay, that point is x1 comma y1. So what do we get the slope of the tangent? इसका कितना था, guys? Parabola का slope. It's pretty easy ना. 2a by y1. Remember, guys, differentiate कर दो, you can get it right. Also you can use the tangent rule. That's what we get the slope as. That's not a difficult thing. Okay, now for this ellipse, let's do it. So if you differentiate that equation, guys, we'll get what? 2x by a square plus 2y dy by dx by b square equals to 0, है ना? 2 cancel. That will be coming as dy by dx will be coming as minus x upon y, है ना, into b square by a square. ठीक है. Okay. So now, guys, what we got it, this into this, right? We need to do this into this, and at which point we want x1 y1, so x1 y1 डाल दो. It's good to do that. So what we'll get, guys, इसका slope into the slope. So what are we getting? Minus x1 by y1 minus x1 by y1 into b square by a square, b square by a square. into, that is what, 2a by y1 equals to -1, है ना? So guys, what are we getting? Acha, y1 square is coming in the denominator. Can I write it as 4ax1? Why not? And this y1 into y, because that's a point which will satisfy the curve, both the curves, right? So we'll get what? We'll get actually minus x1. This is I'm writing as 4ax1, and minus minus को इसको काट ही देते हैं. चलो चलो, next step we'll do that. b square into 2a by a. Let's keep it like this for the time being. तो देखो x1 कट गया, this -1 gone. Okay. Okay, now what's happening, guys? B square, one second, let me check. Okay, this was b square by a square. Okay, that's why I was thinking a square, right? Abhi guys, if you look into this one, now it's sorted. This a and this a will be gone. We'll be getting b square by a square is 2, isn't it? B square by a square is coming as 2. 4 udhar gaya, and this 2 came down. So what are we getting, guys? We are getting b square by a square as 2. Okay, and which case is this? b greater than a. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, हो सकता है. That means ellipse ऐसा नहीं है, ellipse वैसा वाला है, b greater than a. Okay, so what will happen, guys? B square, yes, I'll plan that also, don't worry, very soon. So guys, b square by a square is 2. That means, can I say, guys, a square by b square will be half. So now guys, we all know that रिविजन तो स्टार्ट ऑलरेडी है. ओशो, रिविजन तो ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड है. You guys are not regular, you guys are not supporting, you guys are not turning up every day, you guys are not attending my special classes. You have to be regular from your side, and you have to give your 100%, right? It's not one way. I'll start, then you will not come, then what's the use of that? And you also have to give your 100%. It's not one way always. Okay, because of you only I started so many things. So guys, a square by b square. A square by b square is how much? Tell me. Half. So we all know that, guys, in the b greater than a case, we have a square by b square will be nothing but 1 minus e square. So that is what? Half equals to 1 minus e square. Then what will happen? E square equals to half. So e will be equal to 1 by root 2. E will be equal to what? 1 by root 2. That's it. Got it? E will be 1 by root 2, and that is our eccentricity. Over. Got it, guys? So this is how we do this kind of questions. So that's what we were mixed with parabola and ellipse. So we'll be doing many more questions like this, guys, in the coming days. So please take a note of this. Take a screenshot of this one. And obviously, guys, try to comment on the video. I'll be answering all your doubts over here, and it'll be absolutely amazing. Fine. Chalo guys, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the session. I'll be coming at 7 p.m. with the quiz on inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, so 8 p.m. guys, 7 p.m. guys, please be there. Okay, 7 p.m. is very, very important. Today I'll be taking inverse trigonometric functions quiz. I hope you guys join and enjoy. Fine. So guys, please install the app. That will be very beneficial, not only for the live quizzes, but for the combat, and also if you want to take the plus subscription, it will be great. Okay, so please get the subscription, guys, as soon as possible, IIT JEE, and click on plus, and then guys, you can go ahead with the subscription. Moreover, guys, plus classes, you will be costing around 6 months, it will be costing around 25.2, 12 months it will be costing around 35.6, 24 months it will be costing around 50.4, and guys, iconic prices would be correspondingly these. AJ Live is also the code, guys, which you have to use for taking the plus subscription. Fine, that is all, guys, from my side. Please take a note of it, that obviously if you want personal coach, you can go ahead with this IIT JEE iconic subscription. Okay, so iconic subscription would be this, and you'll be getting expert guidance, test analysis, workshop, study planner, and what else. Also, Abhinav SC is the code which you can use for taking the plus subscription, and that will be beneficial for all of you. Also, you can see here new class timings are Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday at 8 p.m. And then, guys, Unacademy's learning app, you can come along and do exceptionally well. Also, these are the timings, guys, for JEE English channel, है ना, 21 and 22 respectively, Mondays and Thursdays, Tuesdays and Fridays. Matrices and determinants will be going on, then conic sections. And then, guys, these are the timings which you have to turn up for these amazing quizzes, guys. Today is Tuesday, so we have a quiz at 7, guys. Don't forget, within 25 minutes, I'm going to start it. Also, guys, Mathematicians channel, you can catch me at these very timings in Hindi. Also, integral calculus course is running pretty smoothly. So I request all of you to come and join. Okay, also this batch is starting, the MCQ batch, 15th of December and 21st. This is starting 21st of December. Okay, so please make a note of it. If you want to join, you can join this amazing plus batch, guys. So be a part of this one and that will be great. And we have amazing teachers who will be turning up and giving you the best, right? Okay. Also, guys, AJ Live is the code which you have to use for taking the plus subscription. That will be very beneficial. Win lots of rewards and prizes for the Unacademy Combat. Enroll for it right now, guys. 20th December is the last date because obviously, guys, on that day we have the test. You can win lots of amazing rewards and prizes. Go for it. Revision series I have already started on Saturdays. I'll be planning to take few more of them regularly, and obviously we'll be doing exceptionally. Also, one more thing, guys, you have differential calculus coming up. Hannah, this is already done, and integral calculus is going on, and vectors, 3D, inverse trigonometry, matrix determinants, everything. And also, guys, 11th grade topics will be done on the plus in detail with the amazing faculties like Rohit sir, Murli sir, Rahul sir. And guys, you can join this amazing batch. Target 2022 it is. So please do not forget about it, and guys, join it. Also, guys, please do not forget to like and share this video with your friends. And AJ Live is the code which you have to use for taking the plus subscription. Do not forget about that, guys. AJ Live is the. Thanks a lot, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed the session. Meet you in 20 minutes with the quiz. Bye bye.